talk something fantasy like Disney? Yes, guys, it's a world full of fictitious dreams, fantasies, flying high in the sky, and bouncing on blooming flowers.
The Disneyland especially, but apart from these, the Avengers, Star Wars, fairy tales, etc. seems to be dumped in the magic, right? So let's see some cool and interesting stuff about Disney. Now, let's all get in there.
Guys, you all know Disney is a home to all our childhood memories. Just remember the days sitting back on couch and watching interesting movies. Now, let's see some most successful and back old shows of Disney. The first featured animated film was Snow White and Seven Dwarfs.
The Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Pinocchio, Fantasia, Dumbo, Bambi were the first movies ever made timeline, and guys, Mickey Mouse, Snow White, Pinocchio, Dumbo, Cinderella, Alice were the first ever characters Disney featured.
The longing and successful shows of Disney are Phineas and Ferb, Wizards of Waverly Place, Hannah Montana. But guys, when we talk about Disney, we should never forget of talking about our most favorite, Mickey Mouse.
It made the Walt Disney, the founder of Disney, an actual billionaire. At first, Walt Disney named Mickey Mouse as Mortimer Mouse. Later, it was changed. Mickey Mouse made first appearance in 1928.
So, coming to present, who owns Disney now? Well, actually Disney isn't owned by anyone personally, but it is public traded company with many stockholders and top shareholders like Robert A. Iger, Christine McCarthy, Ellen Braverman, Vanguard Group Incorporated and BlackRock Incorporated.
After all this, let's take a look about something interesting. Yes guys, Disneyland. These were the live substitutes of all Disney creations. The first Disneyland was built at California by Walt Disney. There are total 12 Disney parks in the world.
Guys, are we missing out something?
Yes, of course. The magical places do comes with secrets as well. Let's see them.
Firstly, a secret tunnel. This land is ginormous and employees in Disney referred as cast members. They make their shift from point A to point B by using this secret tunnel. See, when you sit on first floor and you are strolling through this, you'll be on second floor. How magical, right? Yes, the people go from one park to another without being seen through this.
Secondly, Pirates of Caribbean ride. It's a fan favorite when Disney plays a drama with animatronics. Here, whose skeletons does Disney use? Yeah, you're right. It uses human skeletons. Yes, there are actual human bones attracted by visitors most.
Coming to third, park smells for a good reason. Disney parks are so magical that every day they constantly pump scents throughout the park. How delightful it is. Yes, you'll be smelling the flavors of various candies and cookies.
This is a Smarty Pants at Disney. Wanted you to just indulge in all the delicious foods.
And fourth, the building look bigger than they are. Ever heard of a thing called forced perspective? Well, Disney are the champions of bringing that to life. We really hate to break your hearts.
But Cinderella's castle is not as grand and enchanting as you believe. Yes guys, the architects build this with certain techniques to make them look grander than they are. It's just an illusion. Look how magical the Disney is.